Hey guys! If you're struggling with the frustrating issue of the photo mode missing on your TikTok account, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to get it fixed. Let's get started. Okay. The first step is a breeze. Open up your TikTok app and head straight to your profile. Once you're there, spot the 3 lines in the top right corner. Yup. Those 3 little lines. Give them a gentle tap. Now, in the menu, click on the Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down until you see the magical words, Report a Problem. Hit that. After a brief moment of loading, voila! You've entered the realm of problem solving. Now, take a look for Account and Profile, it's in there. Fantastic. Now, we're on the right track. Click on Editing Profile. Scroll down. And find the option that says Other. Tap on it. And then select Need More Help. And just like that, you should be on a new page. Pay close attention because here comes the crucial part. Now, it's time to write a message to TikTok support. Use these exact words: I am currently missing the TikTok photo mode option on my account. I need this to be fixed. This is your golden ticket to getting that photo mode back. Once you've composed your message, hit that submit button. Now, here's the waiting game. Give TikTok support 24 to 48 hours to work their magic. If all goes well, TikTok support will get back to you. Once you've received their response, hopefully saying the issue is resolved, you should be good to go. And that's it, you've successfully brought back the missing photo mode on your TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.